Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today is my very first luxury unboxing of 2025 and I am so excited about this piece. I did not put this in my wish list. This covers two of my wish list pieces and I don't know why I didn't put it in there. I just kept thinking, if I put it in there, I'm gonna jinx it because this is something I have not been able to get from this brand for 5 years. I've been trying for 5 years for one of the aspects of this new bag. So I'm super excited to share it with you. Before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, I cannot thank you enough for coming back. If you have not subscribed already, why not? Just do it. Just hit that button down below. Just do it. Let's see what we can do with this channel and let's have a lot of fun today. So let's get right into this unbagging. I will insert a picture of the box. It is from Fashionphile and it did come in the Fashionphile dust bag, and it did not come with a box, but I was fine with that because I do keep all of my Hermes boxes, but in general I chuck boxes unless they're really special or really pretty. I didn't care. I have been on the hunt for this bag in several colors, but when I found out about this color, I wanted it so bad. They re-released this color last year and I'm like, there's just no way. There is no way I'm going to get this. And I am sitting there looking at it. It popped up online a few days ago. I showed it to my husband and he shocked me to death. He's like, what are you doing? Hit buy. And it was with Fashionphile, you can tell what is the newest items added. So let's say you type in Fendi Mini Peekaboo. The first one that shows up is usually their newest one. You scroll down and you will see ones that have been on there for a while. So I'm not sure how long it had been on the website, but not for very long. I will not keep you waiting. So it did come in with the dust bag inside. Fashionphile always puts them in their dust bags, and if it comes with it, it's inside here. And it is the Hermes Garden Party size 30 in the color Bougainvillea, and I hope that this color is going to come across the right way. This is one of those colors, kind of like my Rouge Garnet bag, where it looks different in different lighting. It is a hot pink. It is an absolute true pink in person. I was trying to send pictures to my daughter yesterday and it was coming off as pure red. So hopefully the lights are doing it justice. So they said that it had mild corner wear and that the inside of the bag had pilling. Inside of the zip pocket, I saw one kind of little piece of fuzz, which I picked off with my finger. I don't see any other pilling. There is no corner wear whatsoever. This bag is from 2022, so it's only 2 years old. I don't think it's been used. It smells just like it's right out of the store. I mean, it smells beautiful, like beautiful leather. So get into the details of that, but before we do, there's something I want to do here, and that is, it is mine. It is officially mine. So Fashionphile just had their Lunar New Year sale and it ended on January 31st. I forget what day it started, but I was able to get this bag for 10% off of what they had it listed for, and it was listed for under retail. I cannot find today's current price. I did find last year's price, but I cannot find the current price. And I know they had a price increase in January, so I'm sure I got it for even a better deal. So I couldn't believe the condition it was in. It was only 2 years old and I was getting it for under retail. So I was so excited about that. So the main thing that I've been asking for 5 years from Hermes and I have not gotten is a pink bag. any pink bag. Well, not any pink bag. There's some bags I don't like. You're not gonna like every bag from every brand, but I have been asking for a pink bag, and for at least 2 years now, I have been asking for a garden party. And that hasn't happened. They just don't seem to be getting bags in. I can't figure it out. Rolex and Hermes are the only ones that haven't recovered from this pandemic. I don't understand it. I really don't. But I was so excited when I saw this online. I was like, oh my gosh, yes, it got here very quickly. I did open it yesterday because I was so excited and I did not have time to film. So obviously, clearly it's not a true unboxing, which is fine. I am gonna put these scissors where I can't cut anything. So I have a few other things on my desk to share with you. So let's go over the bag a little bit. It has no outside logo at all, not even on though it does on the front snap. It does say Hermes on the front snap. I can get my words out. But the back snap is just silver. There is no Hermes Paris or anything like that. And the bottom of the bag has no feet. It just has this leather that goes around it. It does have on the side where you can make it bigger and change the look of it like this. And bougainvillea is a beautiful plant. It is the first plant I ever planted in my first home that we bought when I was 22 years old, and it is almost identical, the color, to this bag. I love bougainvillea. The inside of the bag, the bottom of it is leather and the sides are canvas. It is so lightweight. It has a really long zippered pouch in the back, and this was the only thing that I noticed about it. Do you see how that little piece of leather is curled? And that is from it, the leather piece being there when the bag is closed, and that is not a big deal whatsoever. And if you just pull on it, it straightens right out. But if I close the bag up again, it'll do that. But show you how big that pocket is, and that's where I found the one little fuzz that they called pilling on the inside. But it's what it looks like. If you open it up, you can make it more of a larger tote. I couldn't believe how lightweight it is. Show you. I mean, look how far up it goes up my arm. I mean, I could not wear this as a shoulder bag, but I have seen videos many years ago. A very petite lady could get it all the way up. But I mean, so it's super comfortable when you're wearing it. So if you need to wash your hands, it actually goes up high enough that you could get it back here, so you're not having, you know, the bag get near the water, which I really like that. I am just ecstatic. I just wanted a pink bag forever, and these were bags that were considered their entry-level bags. They always had them on the shelves. Like, you can't get an Evelyn, you can't get anything anymore. But the last price on it was like, I could find was like $4,500. I'll write it down below, but I saved over $1,000, well over $1,000 off of retail, and I am excited about that. And I was thinking about purchasing a Twilly to go with it, and I was like, let's just wait until it comes here and let's just see. And I have 3 that I think work very nicely, and I will tie these on like completely and take pictures so you can see it. But right now I'm just gonna kind of just give you the brief overview of it. But put that one in the back there, maybe like that. I think that one looks really nice with it. Get my face out of there so it will focus better. I think that's really cute. This is like a really pale pink, and actually this one I got to go with my Rouge Garnet because the Rouge Garnet can look kind of pinkish, and it has those darker tones, which I think goes well with this. And this one is one of the Brides de Gala, and I think it's really cute on it. So I think I probably will not be buying a Twilly. I have a lot of Twillys, and I honestly don't use them very often at all. It is pretty rare that I twilly up a bag, but I have that one, which I think that looks cute. I'll put in pictures. It's not, you know, I can't tie them that fast to do it live. But I'm gonna grab my Hermes Birkin 30 because this is, as I said, this is the 30 because it's 30 centimeters. So I'm going to show you the difference in those two size-wise. This one I can tell you is way lighter. It's, I'm just so excited about it. Hermes does color, I think, like nobody else does. And I have mostly neutral bags, even though I have always said I am open to any color. And so I think that looks cute with the hearts as well, but just so excited. So let me go grab that Birkin and show you the size differences between the two of them. Okay, so this is the Birkin 30 and the leather on this is Novillo and it has the gold hardware. And to show you the difference of them side by side, the Birkin is definitely bigger and heavier, of course, because it is all leather, but very, very similar in size. I can't believe how lightweight this is. And the handles, this Naganda leather, it feels so nice. These handles just feel, they feel so amazing. I am so excited. You all know, if you follow me last year, I sold a lot of bags, and everybody's like, well, what are you gonna get next? What are you gonna get next? I'm like, nothing. I have not made a luxury purchase since September of last year, and here we are in February. Yes, it was made in January to get that discount, but here we are unboxing this together in February, and I am just thrilled. Thank you for letting me share. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope when I edit it that it comes off the color the way that it looks, that I see it in person, because it's a chameleon, but their colors do that. I have my Evelyn in the Vert Bosphor, and it kind of changes from a green to a blue. They just do color very well. So happy to have a color in the pink. Oh, I've been waiting for pink for 5 years. Pink, and I did get offered I think it was a rose confetti piece. What was it? It was like a kind of a wallet on a chain sort of thing, like a Kelly. Like it wouldn't fit my glasses, so I had to say no to that. But I did get offered something pink along the 5 years. But yes, this fits all my essentials, everything. You can throw everything in the kitchen sink in here. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.